Look at our cat flying through the city, dodging buildings, all with a few simple arrow key presses. Want to learn how to make this flying animation in Scratch? Stick around and I will show you every step to bring your sprite to life with arrow key controls. To start, let's choose a background that fits our flying theme. Head over to the backdrop section, click choose backdrop and pick something fun. I am going with a cityscape for that classic flying over the city look. Next, we need a sprite to animate. I am going to use the flying cat sprite, but feel free to pick any character you like. Now that we have our cat ready, let's make it fly. First, we will code the up and down movements for the cat. Go to the events category and grab the when key pressed block. Select the up arrow from the drop down menu. Then go to motion and drag change Y by 10. Now, whenever you press the up arrow, the cat moves upward. Let's do the same for moving down. Duplicate this block, change the key to the down arrow and the value to change Y by -10. Now when you press the down arrow, the cat flies downward. It's time to move the cat left and right. Go back to events and grab the when right arrow key pressed block. From motion, drag change X by 10 to move the cat to the right. Just like before, duplicate this block for the left arrow. Change the value to change X by -10 so the cat moves left. Now let's make the animation more exciting by adding some buildings. The cat will fly over them, giving the illusion of soaring through the city. Choose a building sprite from the library. Go to events and grab the when green flag clicked block. In motion, select change X by -10 to make the building move left, simulating the cat flying over it. Next, let's create a loop so the buildings keep moving. From the control category, drag out the repeat 50 block to move the building left. But right now, it starts from the middle of the screen. Let's fix that by adding a set X to 250 block. If you put 0 here, that means the building is in the middle. So put the 250 so building starts from the far right. Finally, wrap it all in a forever block so the buildings keep moving while the cat flies. To make our animation even cooler, let's switch between the cat's costume for a true flying effect. Go to the looks category and drag next costume under each movement block for up, down, left and right. Now every time we move the cat, it changes its costume, giving a real flying feel. Want to make it even more fun? Let's add background music to complete the scene. Go to events and drag another when green flag clicked block. From control, grab a forever block. Then in the sound category, use play sound until done to loop background music. To pick a sound, go to the sounds tab. Click on the choose sound. Go to loops and choose your favorite sound. Now go back to code tab and choose the sound you just added. Now you have added background music as well. To make it feel even more like an animated video, let's change the backdrops every few seconds. Add a few backdrops by clicking Choose Backdrops. Go to Events and grab When Green Flag Clicked Again. Use a forever loop with a Wait 2 seconds block from the Control category. Next, go to Looks category and grab the Next Backdrop block. Now, the drop bag will change every 2 seconds for a dynamic flying adventure. And that's it. Your flying animation is ready. You have learned how to control your sprite with arrow keys, switch costumes, and moving backgrounds, and even bring in some music. Want more Scratch tutorials like this one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on my latest videos. See you next time.